From the heart of the Atlantic, a new disturbance brews, tracking behind the formidable Hurricane Erin. Once a Category 5 hurricane, Erin's power has slightly decreased, now a Category 3, and she's making her way west-northwest, brushing past the Virgin Islands and Puerto Rico. But don't breathe a sigh of relief just yet. Two other weather systems are under the vigilant eyes of the National Hurricane Center. Disturbance 1 hovers off the coast of North Carolina, while Disturbance 2 gathers strength near Cabo Verde. Erin is predicted to swing north and out to sea, but maritime warnings persist along the U.S. East Coast. Remember, Mother Nature is full of surprises, and the stormy dance continues in the Atlantic.